The Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, under the leadership of Nitin Gadkari, accepted the request of the state and understood the need of this project for Goa and Goans. The connectivity was needed for daily commuting and also for movement of heavy vehicles, either passing through Goa or from Vena Industrial Estate.
पात्रा देवी पंजिम टू पोलेम हे जवळपास 2,500 कोटी रुपयाचं काम आहे. हे देखील आपल्या मुंबई गोवा हायवेचाच भाग आहे. याला मी मंजुरी जाहीर करतोय आणि हे काम 6 महिन्याच्या सुरू करण्याचा आमचा प्रयत्न आहे.
The construction of the state-of-the-art bridge was awarded to Dilip Buildcon Ltd, a young company making a mark in highway constructions and bridges across India. Atul Joshi, Vice President DBL, has been part of the project since bidding stage. But before we move to the details, the major question: does Goa really require this mega structure?
Definitely, it's a lifeline of Goa, I would say that. Still, a lot of people, there's a huge traffic on the roads, particularly in particularly when it's tourist time. So, getting the work on the road with all that traffic was very challenging. But somehow, people were a lot of disturbed also. But that had to be done. We had no other option. The state government helped a lot. Mr. Manoj Parrikar at that time, he helped us a lot. So everyone helped. The state government helped, the central government helped. So we managed. And as far as this is concerned, the bridge is concerned, because it's only two-wheelers, that's mostly two-wheelers and four-wheelers and only buses which fly over this bridge. All the heavy traffic coming from the port city of Vasco, they have to take a detour of about 60 kilometers going there. So once this bridge comes up, definitely it's going to help them all.